Find the solution, show your work using the number line below. So to do this, the first thing I need to do is mark my first integer on my number line. So the first integer is -2. So I'm going to find -2 on my number line, and it's right here. And now I'm adding a negative. So when you're adding a negative, you're going to go to the left on the number line. So I'm adding more numbers that are less than 0. So I'm going to the left so that my number is smaller than -2. So starting at -2, I'm going to add -5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is here. So that means my answer is -7. And now to solve the same problem using two color counters, I need to remember that my negatives are represented by red, positives are represented by yellow. So it says -2 plus -5. Well, they're both negative numbers, so that means I'm only using red because red represents negative numbers. So I'm going to start out with -2. So that would be 2 red counters. And then I'm going to add -5. So I'm going to add 5 red counters. You can also use the circle tool to do this. So if you click on the circle at the top, that's also an easy way to do the same thing. All right, so now I have a total of 2 negative counters and then -5. So I'm adding that together. And when I do that, I'm just going to count them. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means I have -7. -2 plus -5 is equal to -7.